Alright guys, we're here with Brian with 0 Degree and ExoFit. Going to give us a quick demonstration. These look like some pretty awesome ratchets. You don't really need a lot of clearance to get the teeth turning, right?
Yep, that's right. So this is the ratchet. This is not the ratchet, but this is a ratchet. This is a 120 tooth ratchet from AutoZone. As an example, we're going to put it on this little device and see if we can turn the fastener, and we can.
Yeah.
Because there's not enough space here to swing the ratchet, grab the fastener, and turn it. This is a 0 Degree gearless. This is our product.
So my son has it.
Put it on here. We'll adjust the direction, and we can turn the fastener in this tiny little space, grab it and turn it. So it allows you to work in an extremely tight location.
How many teeth are on your ratchet?
0 teeth. It's gearless.
How does that work?
It's a proprietary secret. It's a common technology. It's been around. The first patent was 1929 in the United States. We have 2 new patents that support the product in a way that maintains its integrity. That's all we can say right now.
Interesting.
Right.
That would make sense.
You don't really have much room right there, and it's turning.
Pardon me?
You don't really have much room right there, and it's turning it.
If I have a
Yeah.
10, 12, and
Tiny little space.
I'll take the whole part.
So that same technology is employed on a ratcheting wrench. Everybody knows what the ratcheting wrench is. This is a 100-tooth ratcheting wrench, so it should work in a very tight area.
I grabbed this 2-year-old horse for $20.
But not enough room.
Yeah.
For the first time.
Okay. Our product, the 0 Degree gearless ratcheting wrench.
Oil pan was completely gone.
Sorry, let me get it on here.
Air gun or something to tighten it up. So it was inoperable. So we had to take it to the dealer, wait for the oil pan. The dealer charges $650.
Needs only about 1 degree of swing arc to grab the fastener and turn it.
Yeah, so I said, ask them what their
That's pretty cool.
So both products, the ratchet and the wrenches, this comes in a set of 7, surpass the ANSI standard for torque and life cycle. So that's the standard in these tool categories for quality. We have to build it to that standard. And those are tested by a third-party lab.
we would have took it to a regular garage.
The ratchet is available on HomeDepot.com now. The wrench sets are coming probably in the next 120 days.
Really? Okay.
Right?
What is price going on?
The entire thing, right?
Like go find a buffalo shop.
Right.
So the ratchets, the 1/4-inch ratchet is about $25. The 3/8 is about 32, 33. The 1/2-inch is about 38. Those are the prices online right now. Depots.
That's a pretty good deal.
They are very good price.
And then what's the warranty on these?
The warranty is 100% lifetime. If there's a problem, you call the 800 number and we replace it.
Nice talking to you.
Really? That's a good deal for a ratchet, especially with that little degree.
I know. We'll see if we can do it without going broke.
Yeah. And then I see you have the wrench sets over here. How much are the wrench sets going for?
They'll probably be in the $60 to $70 range for a 7-piece set.
Okay. And then those will also be at Home Depot pretty soon?
With most likely.
Okay.
Yeah. This is called ExoFit. Okay, ratcheting wrench. This is not a gearless product, but it's a toothed conventional ratcheting wrench head. Okay, comes on a wrench that has 2 locking pivot joints to allow you to adjust the wrench in a lot of different configurations to get into tight spaces.
Oh, okay, that's pretty interesting.
Okay, without having to dismantle something. Okay, so you can work on this kind of a plane. Okay, or you can remove the head, adjust it here, and work on this kind of plane. Okay, so it just adds to the variety of positions and locations. Okay, it comes in a set with a handle and 8 interchangeable heads.
Okay.
So an SAE set would go from 5/16 to 3/4. A metric set would go from 8mm to 19mm, and this would retail for about $100 for the set.
How come these ones aren't gearless?
Because it's expensive
Okay.
to do the gearless. We wanted to get a tow hold with the acceptance of the product first, and it's it's no different than what everybody's buying on Ratchet and Wrenches.
Yeah.
90 tooth is pretty good,
Yeah.
and as soon as we establish ourselves, then we'll bring in the gearless technology in this too. Of course, the price will go up, but
Can I give it a try too?
yeah, sure. Here, just gonna try this. Yeah. So you just want to fit it on there. There you go.
See, that would come in handy a lot of times where
Right.
you finally get the wrench set up and then you can't turn it.
Yeah, you just have to adjust it. There you go.
Definitely really cool.
Pretty cool. Yeah.
Excited to see this. I think I'm definitely going to go to Home Depot and pick up a set.
Yeah. Well, it'll probably, I'd say maybe 3 months, 4 months.
But you said the Ratchets are already at Home Depot?
The Ratchets are already at Home Depot.
Okay.
Order 3/8 and half.
Okay.
With those prices I threw out at you.
Yeah, no.
Very reasonable.
That's a good deal for a Ratchet.
Very reasonable.
Something like that.
Yeah. For something that does something that is not available on the market.
Yeah.
There's nobody else doing it.